name is Sandra, my channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome to day 17 of the December Advent season. So I have got 3 Advent calendars here for you today. I have got Selfridges & Co Beauty Calendar, which is a 24-25 day calendar. I've also got the Twinings Tea calendar, and I've also got the Liberty London Beauty Advent calendar. So 3 calendars. I have enjoyed all 3 of them so far a lot. I've been really impressed. I think the one that I'm most impressed with is the Twinings Tea calendar. It's just been so good, guys. It really has been. I've enjoyed it all. It's just been really good. Not saying that the Liberty London and Selfridges haven't been good. I expected those to be good, but the Twining Tea has been surprising. I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. All right, so are we all ready for day 17? Let's go! Here we go. So here's the Selfridges calendar, day 17. All right, let's go. Let's see if day 17 is up here. Right, it's not on the top shelf, so that's that one. Okay, you think I'd have a technique by now, wouldn't you? I should have a technique by now and I haven't. All right. 17, where art thou? Oh, day 17 is on the second shelf. Can you see it? It is just here. Right, so let's pull out day 17. All right, let's do a little rattle. I think there is just one item in here today. I think it's just one item. Let's see. Oh, it's boxed. Oh, it looks like it's The Ordinary. It is. It's The Ordinary, and it's the niacinamide 10% zinc. Actually, you know what? I think this is the lowest value product we've had in this whole calendar. Am I wrong in saying that? Because this doesn't cost that much. This costs what, £10 maybe? I'm not sure how much the Ordinary products cost these days, but they're not a high value product. They're very effective, but it's not high value. But yeah, all good. I will use it though, because I do like niacinamide on my skin. So yeah, all good. Great. So that's my day 17 from the Selfridges calendar. All right, let's go ahead and do our tea. So, Twinings calendar. This is the calendar I was gifted by Pink Poodle, who has got a channel here on YouTube. She doesn't post so much these days, but she does occasionally post. And I think she does post still on, well, she does. She does post a little bit still on Instagram. Here we go. So we've got another green tea. We've been getting lots of, oh god, packaging starting to fall apart now. We've been getting quite a few teas recently in green packaging, so that always means clarifying, detoxing, cleansing to me. So we've got a pure green tea. You can't go too far wrong with a pure green tea. So that is all good. These teas, so I've had a matcha one, a detox one, and this one. These kind of teas I'm going to keep till when I've eaten too much. So probably after Christmas, or if I go out and I've eaten too much in one day. These are teas I'm going to be drinking afterwards, just to settle my stomach. So I'm keeping these ones aside just for that purpose. So that's all good. Right, let's go on to the final one, which is the one from Liberty London. I feel like the Twining one's going to drop now. Can't stand up by itself anymore. Right, so this is the Liberty London calendar. Let's find day 17. Oh, actually, I can see it straight away. Just making sure. So, can you see that? Day 17? Can you see that? Can you see that? Right there. Okay, let's take this one out. Oh. Well, we don't need all of that, do we? Okay. So day 17 is that. I don't know what it is. I'm just going to take it out. So it's a single product drawer. What is this? I'm just trying to think. Have I heard of this brand before? I don't think so. Verdant. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. So what is this? This is Nocturne, and it's a magnesium night balm. Okay. Magnesium is a very popular ingredient now. I think I'm hearing it a lot. I think it's mainly I'm hearing it because I'm menopausal. I'm in that age group, and magnesium in all its various forms, it's really good for people who are in their menopausal, hormonal changes in their lives. But I think magnesium is also good for other reasons, and I'm not quite sure. I haven't really done much research into it, but I know magnesium is something that you will find in menopausal hormonal supplements. So this is just a night balm. There isn't much information about it here. It's 75 mils and it's made in the UK. So there you go. So day 17, not the most exciting, but you know, all good products. So I've got my green tea from Twinings. I've got this night balm, which is, again, it's all good. I will use it. At the moment I am using a oh, what's the brand? I'm using the, is it Gold McFadden? Really expensive, really expensive brand, but I'm using their night product at the moment. I've been using it for the last few months, definitely since summer, and I am coming to the end of the tube, so this could be something I will go on to next if I haven't got other night products, which I should be using. And I know I have got some other night products which are part of a brand, so there's other serums and things to go with that. So I've got to decide if I want to use something like this, which is going to be in isolation, and use it in combination with other products, or if I use a brand, so say like for example a brand like Glow Recipe, and use the night products and the cleansing products and all of that, all the products in that range. I think I might do that going forward for the next lot of products I'm going to use, but we'll see. So yes, we've got this night balm from this brand Verdant. I'll put the information about it up on the screen around me. We've got the Twinings tea, green tea, and from Selfridges we've got the ordinary niacinamide. So these two products, I'll put the information about them up on the screen. Alright, and that's my day 17. Yeah, good day? I think it's a good day. Alright guys, I will see you soon. So I'll see you tomorrow, day 18. Take care. Bye. Hey, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome to day 18. It's the 18th today, isn't it? Yeah, the 18th of my December Advent season. So I have 3 calendars here. I've got the Twinings tea calendar, I've got the Liberty London calendar, and I've also got the Selfridges and Co. The Twinings one is obviously tea, so it's different flavoured teas each day. And then the Liberty London and the Selfridges calendars are both beauty-based calendars. They've all been sort of skincare and makeup products. I haven't had any accessories and tools as yet, so I'm glad about that, because I don't really like receiving any accessories and tools and that sort of thing. I think the only closest thing I've received to sort of accessories is the item from the Lashify brand. So that's like 2 sets of lashes, there was the glue and this sort of applicator item as well. And I still don't know what I'm going to do with those items. So they're just sitting, I'm looking down at them, sitting there looking at them. I don't know what to do with them. They're flipping expensive, but I have no use for them whatsoever. Anyway, oh, before I carry on, you may have noticed that I didn't put up day 17. I filmed it and I fell asleep last night. So you're going to be getting day 17 and day 18 sort of both uploaded within an hour of each other. Yeah, a couple of hours of each other. So yeah, sorry about that. It's just how it is. I'm literally on my last big stretch of work. So I'm just working really long hours. You can probably see my eyes are red, I look knackered. It's just getting this last bit done. Tomorrow will be the last day of the hard going stuff, and then I can wind down. Yeah, so forgive me for just being a bit lapsy-daisy these last couple of days. It's just because I'm knackered. Alright guys, let's go ahead. So let's do the Twinings calendar first, shall we? Day 18. So here we go. Full calendar starting to fall apart now, but let's see what we got. Okay, it's day 18. Where art thou? Day 18. Oh, day 18 is just here. Just there. So let's open her up. Alright. I'm always pleased when I see a sort of a deep red packet, because that means it's going to be a berry-ish kind of flavour. So what have we got here? We have got Twinings Sweet Dreams, so it's perfect for sleep. I think I might be drinking that tonight. And the flavour is raspberry valerian, which I know seems to help with sleep, so I will be taking that tonight. And niacin, vitamin B3. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to be taking that tonight. So as soon as I finish doing these calendars, boiling that kettle, and I'm going to make myself a cup, because I've got to do the editing, so that'll give me a good, it'll probably won't drink it straight away, it will relax me, and hopefully by midnight I'll be out cold. All right, let's do the Liberty London day 18, see what we have. Okay, all right, Liberty London is this one here. Yep. Right, let's see what day 18 has for us. Right, day 18 is just here. Let me double check. So there's day 18 just there. Can you see that? All right, let's pull her out. Oh, we've got several items in there, and I think that is a Paula's Choice. It looks like there. It looks like that exfoliate product. I'm just going to pull them out. Right, it wasn't Paula's Choice, so I got it wrong. It's the Dermalogica. I think it's the same product though, isn't it? It's the BHA, PHA, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, Daily Microfoliant Brightening Rice-Based Powder. I do actually really like these products. The one I'm currently using at the moment is the one from Keys Soul Care. It does the same sort of thing. It comes out like a powder. You add a little bit of water so it becomes like a paste, and then you apply it to your skin, and it exfoliates, or gently exfoliates, and it sort of deep cleanses and it brightens your skin. Really great products. I tend to use it maybe once a week, if I remember, but it's usually once a week. I think they say you should use them once or twice a week, but for me, once a week is fine. But I do like these products. So I've got the Keys Soul Care one. I have got a full size of this one, and I've also got a full size of the Paula's Choice of this as well. So I'm gonna be all right for this product, I think, for the year, to be honest. So that's all good. I should be okay for 2026, he thinks. And then the second item in the I'm talking about Paula's Choice, and here's the second product. I haven't seen this before. So this is Paula's Choice, and it's a 10% azelaic acid booster with licorice and salicylic acid, and it's suitable for all skin types. So I'm assuming it's some sort of booster serum which will help enhance other products that you're using. It says on the back here, it clarifies an even skin tone. So directions: once or twice daily. Apply to face and neck. May be used alone or added to your favourite moisturiser or serum for daytime. Always follow with a sunscreen. So if you're using it in the daytime, use a sunscreen on top, because it's going to sort of desensitize your skin, sort of thing. So there you go. So that's from the Liberty London. So that's all good. 2 products there. This is new to me, so that is cool. Let's go and do the Selfridges and Co advent calendar. Right, so here we go. Here's the big old Selfridges calendar here. All right, let's do this. Day 18. So I'm going to start at the bottom. Right, no, day 18 is not in the bottom. Oh, day 18 is just there. Can you see it? At the top. Alright, let's take her out. Right, feels like maybe there's 1 or 2 items in there. I don't know, maybe just 1 item? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a perfume, it looks like. And it's Eladria from Creed. Creed, is that Beyonce's brand? Is it Beyonce's brand? I don't know. I can't remember. I know I've heard of this brand before. So this is Eladria Creed. You've got 10 mils. It's a perfume. I don't know what the notes are without looking it up. But this is the perfume. I've got a feeling it's Beyonce's one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. You know what? I'm going to have a look, because, yeah, I hate it when I don't know something. I'll probably forget by tomorrow, but I need to know now. Right, okay, well, just looking at this brand, it seems to be a very expensive perfume. Doesn't seem to be anything to do with Beyonce, so ignore all of that I was just saying. House of Creed. So the perfume, or the 30ml one, you can get at Cult Beauty, and the 30ml one is £165. The 75ml one is, let's have a look. The 75ml bottle is 265. Lord, this stuff's expensive. I keep forgetting that perfumes are really, really expensive. Yeah, House of Creed, melding creative spirit with traditional techniques. The House of Creed dreams up famed fragrances dating back to 1760s, so 18th century, starting its journey when sending a pair of scented leather gloves to King George III. Wasn't he the Mad King? Today, the brand is renowned for its millesime quality, a term used by sommeliers when referring to a great vintage. Lose yourself in nature's riches with the Eladria Eau de Parfum, a dewy rose fragrance that evokes the mystique of a garden pearled in the silvery mist of dawn. As soon as they said rose, I ain't interested, so I'm not even going to try this one. But hey ho, I mean 10 mils, this is going to be an expensive perfume. If 30 mils is 165, then it's going to be a lot, isn't it? It's going to be, this is going to be worth 50, 60 pounds, just this little thing here. Wow. Okay, so I'm probably going to gift that to somebody, because I just don't like rose perfumes. Unless there's a particular rose that I do like. Is it Bulgarian rose? It's quite a dusky, sort of deep scented rose. It's still floral, but it's not as nauseating as some of the other rose fragrances. I don't mind that. But yeah, I'm not even going to risk it with this one. So I'm going to probably gift that. So yeah, so my day 18 is we've got this very expensive perfume from Selfridges. From Liberty London, we've got the Dermalogica exfoliant, so it's like a rice powder. We've got a serum, which is going to be help clarifying and toning the skin. And from Twinings Tea, we've got a relaxing go to sleep tea. So that is all good in my opinion. That's my day 18. Guys, let me know how you get on with your day 18. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try not to be so late tomorrow. Because it's Friday. I'm trying not to, I'm doing my best, alright? But just think, from Friday onwards, I will be in a much better condition. Alright, take care. See you soon. Bye.